Today, let's take a look at a combo kit by DEWALT. This is their grinder and die grinder kit. It comes with a fast charger. I love these chargers, by far DEWALT's best single chargers out there. These are going to do your flexible batteries as well. On the back, you can mount these. Really great charger to have. Next, they'll give you a 5 amp hour battery with this kit. Has the power meter on the front. Awesome batteries. These are definitely my batteries of choice. Next, we've got the grinder. This is a 4.5 inch paddle grinder. My favorite of all the grinders. I find it very easy to use. It's also comfortable on the fingers. You're not having to hold down a trigger all the time. So I really do like this grinder. The guard is rotatable, so you can do that just by pressing on a button on the side, and then you can rotate this, no problem. Just unlocks and you can rotate it around. Super easy to change. You've got an Allen key that comes with this, so you can change out your blade. You just lock this in place. Sometimes you can crank these down and pull it off with your fingers, and you don't even need to use the tool itself. So awesome little tool here. Next up, we've got the die grinder. This is a great tool for cleaning up pipes, hard to reach areas that a normal blade, like a 5 inch blade or 4.5 inch blade, can't get into. These have smaller bits. You can get all different kinds of bits out there. This actually does not come with any bits, but we've got the tool itself. To operate this, you've got the variable speed down below. You've got 10,000 RPMs, 17,500 RPMs, and then 25,000 RPMs. So we've got a selector switch here to go through all 3 modes. This is actually locked in place, so to unlock it, you have to press this button and then hold the trigger down, and you can get right in there. You got a good handle grip. You can hold it in multiple different directions. Clockwise rotation. There is no reverse on this. This will take, again, the 5 amp hour battery, no problem. And the illumination is great. It's all lit up in the front here. You can see, really nice to see your work. It's a really good LED light. There's 2 of them, 1 on each side. Really illuminates everything up. This comes with a tool to tighten this down, and unfortunately no bits. So you're gonna have to buy your bits separately. This is a brushless model as well. So you're gonna have long run times, and it's not gonna get too hot on you. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Until next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.